The following video was created by Somfy and is brought to you by Florida Automated Shade and FS Blinds.
Hello, you are watching the video guide for engaging sleep mode on a Somfy wire-free motor that has already been installed and programmed. These instructions are suitable for the Somfy wire-free motors listed here. In this video, any references to LED color or behavior only apply to motors that have an LED indicator to provide additional feedback for universal programming steps. Not all motors have an LED indicator. An orange blinking LED light means the motor is in programming mode. 5 green blinks confirm that a programming step is memorized. 5 red blinks indicate low battery mode. The battery will need to be recharged soon. A red LED blinking continuously means the motor is in thermal protection mode. Please wait for it to cool down before proceeding. The sleep mode feature prevents the motor from responding to any commands from a previously programmed remote transmitter for 15 minutes. The motor will then automatically disengage from sleep mode. To enable sleep mode, use a narrow pointed tool or paperclip to press and hold the programming button on the motorhead. The shade will jog up and down and the LED will blink green. Be sure to release the programming button immediately after the shade jogs once. Briefly press the programming button again. The shade will jog up and down twice. The motor is now in sleep mode and the LED will pulse orange in 2-second intervals. To disengage sleep mode, press the programming button for less than a second. The shade will jog up and down, and the LED will blink green 5 times to confirm that sleep mode is now disengaged. Remote transmitter commands are now enabled again and ready for your customers to use and enjoy.
For more information about Somfy products, visit floridaautomatedshade.com. To learn about our Somfy motorized window treatments, visit fsblinds.com, and you can find all Somfy technical information at fslibrary.com.